Welcome back to the mini video and my YouTube channel, friends. Today, guys, we are going to talk about guys how to enable adaptive brightness in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to enable your adaptive brightness, so friends, you can enable. And guys, how can you use guys adaptive brightness mode setting in your Tecno phone device, guys? In this video, friends, I am going to show you, friends. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so when first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. Friends, first of all, open your phone setting to enable your guys adaptive brightness mode setting in your Tecno phone device. So as you can see this type of setting, to guys how can you enable your adaptive brightness, guys? Click on your brightness setting, friends, and guys you can see your adaptive brightness. So friends, you want to enable, so as you can enable from the right side, you can see guys screen brightness adjust to environment. Your screen brightness will automatically adjust to your environment and activities. You can move the slide manually to help adaptive brightness learn your performance. So once you want to enable your adaptive brightness, so as you can enable, and as I told you guys, you can, this brightness will increase and decrease automatically. It will set automatic in your phone whenever you go to outside and inside. So like that, guys, you can enable guys your adaptive brightness setting in your Tecno phone. So that's what, guys, thanks for watching the video, friends. We will meet on next video. Bye, friends.